guys. So I thought I'll just do an unboxing video of the Christmas gift box that we are going to launch. It is actually a DIY ornament gift box that you can actually give to kids, or you can even give to adults. It doesn't matter, it's just about painting and having fun and decorating your own Christmas tree with your handmade ornaments. So the box actually consists of personalized tag. You can just give me the name, the person's name, and I'll have it engraved in polymer clay. And the base of the main ornament is going to be earth. So it is of premium quality, and it has a vine of Christmas theme. You have 2 numbers of wood slices followed by pipe cleaners. You can actually use them to tie or even make a mini Christmas tree. Brush, and here we have a small packet of fake moss. It is totally safe for kids. And here we have a pack of tiny stars, and here we have 2 strips of glitter foam sheets. And in case if you're giving to kids, we can actually pre-cut it for you in star shape or Christmas tree. And here we have 18 shades of paint. So now I thought I'll just paint a slice and show you, so that you'll know the quality of the paint and how the fake moss is stuck, and the stars and all those. So happy watching.
Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing